Hi, welcome to my channel. So today I've used the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill Almond and Gorgeous palette. It's definitely the perfect autumn palette. It's full of all these warm burnt orangey shades. And if you'd like to know how to get this look, then please carry on watching. The first shade I'm going in with is this yellowy shade here. There's not much fallout and it is really pigmented, so I'm going to try and pop that through the crease. So now we've built up that yellowy shade and it's blended out really easily and really quickly. I'm going to go into either one of these. They're really similar, so it doesn't really matter. And I'm just going to darken up the crease again. So again, this one's really pigmented as well. It's also blending in really easily to the yellow shade. With the same brush, I'm going into Smooth Criminal, the next darkest colour. See how pigmented it is. And I'm going to press that on the outer corner and blend through the crease. So I've only tapped in once and it is really pigmented, so you don't need a lot. All the shades are working really well together, they're blending together quite easily. Now with a flat shader brush, I'm taking the darkest brown shade, really pigmented, and I'm going to press it on the outer corner. I'm not bringing it up as far as the crease because I don't want to lose the blend of the other colours. Back in with the 217 and I'm just going to smoke that into the lid. And to darken it, I just keep layering on top of the product. I'm now taking Makeup Revolution Concealer in CT, and I'm using that just to cut a half cut crease. So now we've cut out the crease, I'm going in with the lightest gold colour on the small pencil brush and I'm going to press it on. The concealer is still a little bit wet, so it will stick to the shadow a bit better. Now we've pressed that on, I'm taking the flat shader brush, no extra product, and just sort of blending into it. Right, so they've blended together quite nicely, and I'm just going to pop some lashes and mascara on. So lashes are on. I feel like I have to go into this greeny khaki colour here. I'm taking it on a small smudge brush. Now with the first brush I used, with the yellow, I'm just going to smudge out the edges. So that small pencil brush that we used with the gold, I'm just bringing that down and smoking it into the green shade at the bottom. Now some mascara. So this is the finished eye look. I didn't have any problems with fallout or the blendability. I would definitely suggest the Almond and Gorgeous palette. It's really different to other palettes I have, so it's definitely worth it. And for £15 it is really good quality. I hope you liked the video and have a lovely day.